If you fly the anti-gravity and you crash it, most likely you're going to have to change one of your lenses, probably the top, because usually when it crashes, the feet come out and it protects the bottom lens, but there's no protection for the top. So this is how you do it. First, you're going to need a kit. There's a little ring on here. Ring comes off. Don't lose that because you're going to need it later. There's a tool that grabs the lens and pulls it out. It comes with a little blower. We're going nuclear. That doesn't come with it. Here's your lens in this box. It's got a suction cup on it. Stick the lens on like that. Take the ring. It's best to start this ring by hand instead of trying to use the tool. So you don't cross the threads. And then after you get it started, you can stick the tool back on. And just snug it down. And you're back to flying with clear vision. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.